So today we found a dead bird. Isaiah found a dead bird. And we're gonna bury it. Or her.
We have a bunch of other barriers over here that we buried in. It was really special to us to bury them, and really sad, but it's what we do. And why we bury them? Because the circle of our Jesus really, all the times that they died. It's super sad, and no one buries them, even if they see. So when we see them dead, or someone tells us that they're dead, we come and bury them. Well, my sister does. And this is really special to us. Look, Axel.
No.
No. Why?
Because we don't need to get a bunch of people involved.
Well, now we're going, and we can tell him.
Well, it's rude
How?
to leave other people out. We're just not going to tell them. Okay, now we're just going to pray and then that's it. Bye.